Hi, I'm Dan from Brainfish. Over the past year, we've been helping operations teams to automate their most complex business processes with AI. Now we're introducing Ballet, an agentic workflow orchestration platform designed to help you build these types of flows through chat. Traditionally, you have two options, an old school workflow product or a new age AI tool. Ballet integrates the best of both of these without the restrictions. You can build flows through chat at lightning speed, but they're written in code, which means you get the same outcome every time. You can also dynamically spin up AI agents where you need them within those flows if they're required. Evaluations are done on every run, and you get full auditability into how everything works. Let's check it out.
To get started, all we do is tell Ballet what we want to automate. Find duplicate accounts in Salesforce, even when the names don't match. Merge the obvious ones, and escalate to Slack if uncertain. That's it. Before it builds anything, Ballet double-checks the details with us. It's like an experienced teammate, making sure they completely understand the assignment before starting. Next, Ballet gives us a game plan, how it'll match accounts, which record wins field by field, and what gets escalated instead of merged. We review the plan and hit start building. Ballet generates a few AI agents to support the build dynamically, and then starts building the flow. Each step is wired together and evaluated as it's being built. For this use case, there's also a callout that we need to connect Salesforce, so we'll make sure we do that too. After a few moments, the flow is complete. We can see everything wired and review the actual lines of code that have been written for each step. Our workflow is now live with Salesforce. It can run on multiple styles of triggers or a schedule, so we're always getting the outcomes we need. It can run multiple parallel tasks per step if required, so you don't have to run the flow hundreds of times just for different records. Ballet even does evaluations on every run and can build fixes to the flow if anything upstream breaks. That's how easy it is to build and execute with Ballet. Ballet builds real marketing ops workflows from plain English. Here, a lead comes into HubSpot from our paid ads with a landing page submission. Ballet captures the UTMs, works out which campaign the touch belongs to, even when the naming is a mess. Next, it will create the HubSpot association, and finally sync it to BigQuery. This flow will even alert us in Slack if anything fails. Now we have a continuous workflow that runs on autopilot to make sure we always have accurate marketing attribution in our CRM. In this use case, we'll show you how Ballet investigates a support ticket in Zendesk. A ticket comes in and Ballet pulls the relevant information from our internal tools, along with the system logs from that time window. An AI analyst looks at everything and identifies the root cause, the evidence, and drafts a reply. That reply doesn't go out though. It's there for a human to check. Ballet leaves an internal note on the ticket so a human agent can open it already looked into. Cause found, evidence attached, reply ready to go.
Unlocking your next phase of business growth with AI requires speed, consistency, and measurability, and Ballet delivers these. Sign up for early access now.